Hey there, I'm Grayson and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Bayview Kubota, right here in Fredericton. With the fall and winter seasons on the horizon, we've got a huge lineup here for you to select to tackle your smallest projects to the largest jobs that you can think of. From property maintenance to winter weather, we've got you covered. We're talking a wide spectrum of options here, folks. Whether you're talking the versatile yet compact B01 Series, the L Series, or even the M7 Series, we've got you covered. And here's something great. We're not just limited to Fredericton. We have locations all over New Brunswick. Wherever you are, Kubota's not far away. Curious to know more? Head over to BayviewKubota.com for all the details that you need. So let's gear up for an exceptional fall and winter ahead with Bayview Kubota. Bayview Kubota, your Kubota superstore in New Brunswick.